Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Nissan Cabstar. From any screen, if you first of all, if you click the menu, if you click the menu like that, you've got Navi there. It's a touch screen, which I've just wafted along there somehow with my fingers, and also you've got menu down here, so you can do that, or you've got Navi, the button there. Just click back, Navi. Menu's just in the corner. New route, click new route. Address, places, shared location, history. So we'll go to address, town or postcode there. So PR onto numbers, which is the 1, 2, 3 there, 5. And you see there actually now then, how do we get down there? PR5. Oh, PR54, that's what I'm after. PR54, Preston Bamburgh Bridge, street. Sorry, my fingers, they never work on here. We want Chorley Road. It's defaulted there to Chorley Road really, so we'll just click on that, select that. As I say, my fingers. House number, no house number, so go to street, select as destination, select, calculating route.
Route summary, B6230, A675, B6258.
Yep, that's it. That's how you set the sat nav. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile on the Bluetooth audio system in this Nissan Cabstar. So from any screen, it's on sat nav at the moment, so if you click the top button, that's menu. Onto the menu here, and we find telephone. A lot of stuff on here, so we've got telephone there. Click on telephone. Nothing there. You see here no device, but there's a plus there. It's quite a dark screen. I'm just wondering, no, I thought I might have the lights on. I thought it was on night. So there's nothing there, but there's a plus there that you can just see. If you click plus, you've got connect or delete. That's showing Barry's iPhone. That's my iPhone that was connected before. So if I click delete there, forget this device, okay. That's it, gone. That's how you delete a mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the system in this Nissan Cabstar. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Then, from any screen, it's on the nav there, click the menu, onto the telephone button. It's got no device there, but there's that plus there. As I say, it's quite dark, that plus. So we click the plus, and it's now looking for a phone. Now, when I did this before, it took quite a while, but bearing in mind that this is the latest phone with the latest iOS operating system, and sometimes it takes a while for them to catch up with older models. Barry's iPhone 11 there, so if I click on that and then click pairing with Barry's iPhone 11, we'll click OK. We'll wait for it to hopefully show up on the screen here. It's saying, right, confirm passkey 517587, yes, paired successfully, okay. Right, allow contacts and favorites to sync. I don't want it to, because I won't be using it again, but you will, so you'd allow. I'm going to click don't allow there, but it's showing it's connected. Now, another good thing with this system, if you go to your iTunes, you'll see there, if I click on there, you'll see that it's NX405E, that's this radio, and it will basically play. So I'll turn that down, and then turn this up. I'll turn this back up again. There you go, and that's it playing. I can't play it too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. So that's how you do it. It's a really, really good system in this Nissan Cabstar.